Anyway, the brackets, I made some misstatements. The brackets were misaligned, and I thought it was the manufacturer's mistake, but it was mine. I shouldn't put all these lines. You gotta leave them off until you get everything in place, lined up, and go ahead and get your condenser bolted to the radiator. Now the main bolts that hold the radiator, that was no problem. They went in fine. Those are the last things I put in. But anyway, I'll pull that last video and I'm going to correct it and the mistakes that I made. See, I made a mistake on that. I thought the manufacturer of the condenser had these brackets and crap all out of place, but it was just me having them misaligned and not working with them. I had to do some redneck jiggling, wiggling, and waggling to get them lined up. It wasn't easy. I mean, I worked about 3 to 4 hours on trying to get this stuff done. But I do have the radiator in. I got my hoses on, clamps down, and the next thing is to put my fan in. So that's a quick update on my Jeep, what I've been doing. And that's going to be it for today because I'm wore out. And yeah, there's my fan right there. That'll be the next thing I'll be putting it. Good afternoon, my Jeep update. Still Sunday afternoon. It is about getting around 1 o'clock or so, maybe a little after. And it's February 13th, 2022. Okay, I got my radiator condenser in. All the lines are hooked up. All the hoses, I double clamped them because I had that blowout with the old radiators. I put 2 clamps on the top and the bottom. I don't have a light with me right now, so I won't be able to show you that bottom hose. But anyway, the radiator and shroud is in real good. Again, I've got it, the condenser has got the 2 upper bolts. The bottom bolts, I had trouble for number 1. I couldn't find them. They didn't have them when I purchased the vehicle. So what I did for right now is I zip tied them. This one here on the driver's side, it's almost impossible to get to. I zip tied that one. This one over here, I think with some work, I can get a bolt in there on that lower bracket that holds the shroud to the radiator, but I got a zip tie in there right now, and I do have the upper bolts in, and the shroud is good and secure. So anyway, that's a quick update. So the next thing, I think we're having some rain off and on, and I gotta have this garage door open, and I've already got some rain in front of the garage. Probably gonna break off. If it clears up and gets better later today, I'll come back out here and work some more. I've got still some detail work to do. I still got my recirculating door. I need to get that in place. It's in place, but I need to, it doesn't have a controller, and it's, I don't know if it's the I really don't know what's wrong with the recirculation door. For right now, I'm just going to put it in place, either tape it or zip tie it. And then the next thing will be, I guess, to go ahead and I'm gonna drain the oil, flush out the, already started flushing out the power steering. And I got to get coolant in this thing, and so I need to get it running, and I still got to put my connector on the fan. I still got to figure out which one of those wires, the damn high side, you know, the high speed side of the fan. I would definitely want that one to work, and I'm just not sure what I'm going to do about that. Anyway, I've got still a lot to do, making some progress. It's starting to look like a Jeep again, and that's an update for Sunday. If I do anything else, I'll get back with you. My Jeep out.